I am Zuro Tatlani. I'm 23 years old from Matuling. When I found that I'm pregnant, I came to the hospital for pregnancy clinic. I went for HIV testing, and that's when I found that I'm positive. My child is Abelan Tatlani. He is 6 weeks. He is a good boy. I like playing with my baby, talking to him. When I gave birth to the baby, I was so happy, but I was so worried that the baby might have HIV positive.
I am Martha Ulibisi. I'm a registered nurse midwife. I'm working here at the maternal neonate and child health unit. HIV positive mothers here in our facility receive the same services as the HIV negative mothers. The only difference is that for HIV positive mothers, after the baby has been assessed for growth monitoring, has been immunized, the baby also is tested for HIV and then gets the cotrimoxazole prophylaxis, and the mother gets the psychosocial support from mothers to mothers. From then, if the mother is supposed to refill her ARVs, we also give her the treatment. Integration of services means we are offering the maternal, neonate and child health services together with HIV, PMTCT and ARV services under one roof.
The nurse told me to take the medicine to protect the child. Before the nurse told me, I didn't know anything about prevention from mother to baby.
She got the adherence counseling and psychosocial support. She was initiated on treatment and she's taking it well. As long as the mother adheres well to her lifelong treatment, the chances of mother-to-child transmission are very slim. The benefits of the integrated services is that we don't lose mothers along the way. If the services are not integrated, you can just imagine mothers going from under 5 clinic and then to the main ART, having to start the queue afresh, and then some others may just get fed up and leave. Integrating the services makes it easier for us to follow up the clients. If today she was supposed to come and she did not come, we pick up her file and put it in the box for missed appointments. And then after 3 days, if she hasn't come, then mothers to mothers make an SMS, and if the mother doesn't respond, then we put the mother into the tracking book and then give it to mothers to track the woman back to care. The baby did the first test today, so we are awaiting the results, which the turnaround time is about 4 to 6 weeks.
I take my medication very well. I'm nervous, but I hope he won't be HIV negative.